out of mess sometimes comes great success. When I met you, boom, I knew that we could be friends. We could be friends. Despite our size, I still like your smile, the way you like to categorize my life into nice and tidy piles. So here's the deal, let's play Drover and drive away. Drive away until we both feel that salty breeze, and we are both at ease. So let's go. Let's go swimming wild, let's go swimming while the sun sleeps in. Oh, I've never been, have you ever been? Oh, ever been? Ever been swimming wild, ever been swimming while the sun sleeps in? Oh, I've never been, have you ever been? And I feel love, yeah, I can say that I feel love. And I hope one day that I will be what you mean to me. I will be electric libraries. And I don't know much, and like you said, I don't like much, but I like the way you categorize my life. Always raise a smile, so let's go. Let's go swimming wild, let's go swimming while the sun sleeps in. Oh, I've never been, have you ever been? Oh, ever been? Ever been swimming wild, ever been swimming wild and away from everything? Now's the time to begin. Now's the time to start. Now's the time to start. 'Cause we are sharks. Yeah, we are sharks. Yeah, we are two sharks singing melodies into uncharted territories. And I will always be there for you if you are there for me too. 'Cause we are two sharks singing melodies into uncharted territories. And I will always be there for you if you are there for me too. So let's go. Let's go swimming wild, let's go swimming wild, let's go swimming wild, let's go. Oh, let's go.